Guys, welcome to B Codewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a button hover like this. If I hover on button 1, you can see that a beautiful hover effect going to the left side. So after that, if I hover on button 2, it will show a beautiful hover effect. If I hover on button 3, it will show a beautiful hover effect. If I go on button 4, it will show a beautiful hover effect. Similarly, on button 5, I have given a beautiful hover effect, and button 6 also I have given a beautiful hover effect. To make this hover effect like this, we'll use HTML and CSS. So here I have written my basic HTML and CSS, and I have given the title button, and after that I have linked my CSS file. After that I have taken a div. In body tag I have taken a div, and in this div I have taken the tag button tag. So in button tag I have taken the class btn1 for button 1. So similarly I have taken 6 buttons. You can see here I have taken 6 buttons. So for that I have taken that different class button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5, button 6. So after doing this, we'll go for CSS file. Here is my CSS file. I have taken body. In body I have taken margin 0, padding 0, and button. Here you can see here the tag button. So in tag button position I have taken relative, border none, and transition I have taken 0.4 second is in Z index 1, font size 50 pixel, and margin top 20 pixel, margin left 80 pixel, and color code I have given here. And after that I have taken border radius 15 pixel and text shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 4 pixel, and black. So I have taken the cursor pointer. If you hover your mouse, it will show a pointer like this. After that, in button tag with after and before, when I have given position absolute, content should be nothing, and Z index -1. After that I have taken button 1. When I hover on button 1, you can see here, when I hover on button 1, it will give a box shadow. It should be in set, and I have given here, you can see the color of box shadow that I have given. So after that we'll come to button 2. In button 2 with after I have given height 0, left 0, top 0, transition duration 0.6 second, and width 100%. On button 2 hover after, here I have given after class, here I have given hover with after, that. So I have given the height 100% and background color code I have given here. So now we go for button 3. Here I have given button 3 class. When you hover, the background should change with color code like this, and back shadow I have given here. You can see my box shadow. You can write the code from here. Now we go for button 4. So in button 4 I have taken button 4 with after. I have taken height 0, left 0, button 0, transition duration 0.6 second, width 100%, and button hover after I have taken height 100% and background code I have given here. After that, come to button 5. On hovering button 5, box shadow I have given here, and after top minus 5 pixel, left minus 5 pixel. After that, I am targeting my button 6. I have given border 2 pixels solid with color code, and background color I have given here the color code, and color of text I have given here. So after writing that much of code, you will get a hover button like this. See, if I hover button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5 and button 6. So making the hovering effect on button like this, you can write the code like this. You can make a different types of hovering on button with yourself. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share, and thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.